guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this creamy and rich lemon bars. It's very easy to make, and this summer this is a great treat to serve to your family. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now for the upcoming videos. Here in a food processor, I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 260 grams, 1/3 of a cup sugar, 2 tablespoons zest from a large lemon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 227 grams of room temperature butter. It has to be room temperature. Now before adding the butter, I'm going to pulse the mixture so that everything is well incorporated. Now I'm going to add the room temperature butter, which is 227 grams or 8 ounces butter, and go ahead and pulse them until all the mixture is well incorporated. You want to have a crumbly texture, but not too crumbly. As you can see, it's nice and combined together. Now here I have a 8-inch pan, but you can definitely use 9x11-inch pan because my pan is smaller, 8-inch, so it's going to have thicker bar. If you use 9x11, the bars are going to be less thicker than mine. Now transfer the mixture into the pan and press down evenly. This is very important. You make sure your mixture is pressed down evenly and refrigerate at least for 30 minutes. Now it's been refrigerated for 30 minutes. I'm going to make a random holes inside so that everything cooks evenly, since mine is like thicker bar. Now I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees for 20 or 25 minutes until the sides are nice and brown. Here in a large bowl, I have 6 room temperature egg. Whisk well, and to this I'm adding 1 1/4 of a cup, which is 250 grams of granulated sugar. Go ahead and mix them until it's well combined and nice and creamy. And to this I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup all-purpose flour, which is 97 grams of all-purpose flour. Now to this I'm adding 1/4 of a teaspoon salt and mix them well until it's nice and well incorporated. To this I'm adding 3/4 of a cup lemon juice and mix well without any lumps. We want to make sure there is no lumps from the all-purpose flour. And once it is nice and creamy, set this aside, and I'm going to check my shortbread. Now the shortbread is nicely baked and the sides are nice and brown. At this point, I'm going to pour the mixture gently. The shortbread is still hot. I'm going to still pour the mixture gently without breaking the shortbread. And now we are going to reduce the temperature at 325 Fahrenheit and bake this for 30 or 35 minutes until the shortbread is nicely cooked. But it will be still jiggly a little bit. That's okay, because we have to refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours, but before refrigerating, at least cool down on a cooling rack for 1 hour. Now once that is nicely cooled down, sprinkle with some powdered sugar and cut the edges to even out everything. So I'm going to just cut down all the sides. Now I'm going to cut into desired size. You can cut them any size that you desire. Now I'm just going to cut them into nice small cubes, and as you can see, done nicely, it's settled nicely. It is creamy from center and down that shortbread. It's super delicious. This summer, this recipe is a great recipe. If you like my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.